Okay, we're here at the Brian Dojo today, and I decided to change things up a little bit and threw on the black gi because I'm going to be doing a lot of Kobudo. The black uniform, as you can see, is our Kobudo uniform. This is what we typically wear when we just do Kobudo classes. We're going to talk about the Nunchaku. What I decided to do was to show you guys how to make a set of these so you can practice along at home. The Nunchaku is a very simple implement. It has a rope and two sticks. And what I did was I ran out to Ace, got myself some 1-inch dowel rod, cut it down into two 12-inch sections, drilled a couple holes in it, and then I bought some nylon paracord. This is very cheap. I think I have about $3.50 in the whole thing as far as that goes. And it'll suffice until you can get back in the dojo and buy a real set. When you're tying this in, basically you put the rope through it and you tie the knots on it. One of the reasons why I use the nylon paracord is because when you heat it up, you can actually heat seal the knots on it. So that way you don't have to worry about it coming undone. The Nunchaku, as far as what we use in the dojo, is very simple. I didn't have a lot of resources available to me, but I was lucky enough that my parents owned a nursery, so we always had dowel rod and rope laying around. I actually made my first set of Nunchaku when I was 12 and built them myself, drilled them out, put the rope through it using burlap rope. If anybody knows what burlap rope is, binder twine. It burns. It does not stay tied very well, and that's when I first learned from my dad about heating the rope up and pinching it, which works really well. Don't do that with your bare hand. Use a glove, please, because you'll burn your hand very easily. But this is a simple way to make these for everybody at home. That way you can practice the Nunchaku kata. Several of the students were pretty close to getting their yellow belts and moving into the weapons program, so please go ahead and start doing the weapons katas at home. You don't just have to be a member of the dojo in the weapons program to do those over this COVID-19 temporary shutdown. But these work really well. I've been pretty impressed with them. I've been kind of using them, playing with them and everything, and they're just about the right size as far as that goes. I'm not going to use them when I do the videos today just because I'm not used to them, and I want to make sure that you guys get a good Nunchaku video. But this is poor Karate Man Nunchaku, so 101. Make sure that you're working on that at home. Talk to you guys in a little bit. Next up is Nunchaku no Kata.